Good afternoon. My name is Keith Porter. I'm the agronomy leader for the U.S. seeds business of Dow AgroSciences.
And my name is Melissa Bell. I'm a commercial agronomist with Mycogen Seeds in Illinois.
I appreciate the opportunity to talk with everyone today. Today, Dow AgroSciences announced a collaborative effort in the introduction of a precision agronomy program that we're going to bring to the marketplace here in the U.S. across the seed brands that we have. It's a result of a pilot that we did in 2015 with a number of agronomists like Melissa and growers in the central U.S. in 2015. It was a program that also resulted from our collaborative efforts with John Deere in terms of using their integrated solutions from their Operations Center, the My John Deere platform, as growers would refer to it. So we're connecting the growers with the agronomists through that platform to then place seed on the acre more appropriately for better returns for the grower.
One of my specific growers was here today, and it was, a really unique program. What I really like about it is that, we have a lot of technological capabilities to collect a lot of data. We also, as agronomists, we spend a lot of our time looking at products and understanding how to manage and how to place them. And one component that a lot of times we might not pay as much attention to, but is probably one of the most valuable, is really the grower's input. So what this program does is really bring all of it together. So this year, I worked with several growers and looked at 2 different products across 4 different planting populations within an entire field. So what that really allowed us to do is to look at products, under growers' management practices across both macro and micro environments. So as I was able to keep tabs on the progress throughout the season, and then really tie, those personal observations, those visual observations back to, our data, our planting and harvest data, it really helped us at the end of the day understand products on a better, on a better level. So I received some really good feedback. One of the kind of the themes that seemed to be recurring was that each of the farmers, really felt more connected both to their fields and then to me as the agronomist. So, that meant a lot. And also, from seed placement time, that was one thing that we really learned a lot about some of our new products. So they felt that they had a higher comfort level with the products that we were launching because they had seen how they performed on their farm. And they had a better idea of how to manage them. They had good disease tolerance, might not need a fungicide, they can handle poorly drained soils, and so on and so forth.
The objectives are really to take the learnings and the feedback that Melissa was referencing earlier, and with that, to a larger set of growers. Because one of the key things about the program as we've thought about this and brought this forward is that, in line with what Melissa was referencing, it's really the relationship with the grower, and the grower being in the center of the program, and then the relationship with the agronomist that's really key to this, because the growers have the ability to generate the data, and then agronomists like Melissa can see that through the shared information via the platform. They can work at that and look at that to make better decisions, right? And so you take that learning and then you expand that more broadly. And so we've rolled out this program for 2016 across our market area here in the U.S., across all of our seed brands that we have within our DAS umbrella. So it's a broader scope for that. It's able to reach more growers in a connected manner, and keeping them centered and focused of the activity, and then really focusing on, from an output side, is closing that gap between data for data's sake or data to be information, and really taking that and making that knowledgeable, or using that as knowledge and actionable. So in a practical way to kind of deliver on the promise of precision ag, if you will, and kind of really go and close that gap between what producers have or what they believe they have in terms of data and tools, to really begin then to put the human element back into that in terms of that relationship with the agronomist and the customer.
This video is brought to you by Farms.com.